Okay, this video is going to be how to install plugins into FL Studio. So whether it be an effect or an instrument. So here I've got a synth. I think it's a synth. And I've extracted the file here so that I have file type that says DLL. I will copy this, find FL Studio, so image line, plugins, and I'll go to VST, and then I will copy and paste it. So it's pasted here. So just to quickly recap, went to my FL Studio folder, went to plugins, to VST, pasted it in, then open FL Studio, go to plugins, refresh plugin list, press OK, and here you go, pops up. So then I can open it. Let it load. Sometimes this thing takes a while. There you have it. I made sure I went to the folder of generators, not effects, because it was a generator.
Like and subscribe for more. It's easy. Just hit those buttons underneath this video. Follow me on my social media pages. All links are in the description below.